നിന്നെ
Good evening amigos, it's time to share more love. Come follow me.
കണ്ടന്നേ മേഘം പൂക്കൾ പെയ്യുന്നേ ഒന്നാവാ ഞാനെന്നേ നെഞ്ചിൽ തീർത്തോരൻ പ്രണയ പ്രപഞ്ചമിതാ
అక్క కొంచెం వర్క్ బిజీలో ఉంది కానీ ఫీడింగ్ మాత్రం ఆగదు.
దర్శనా